I just have to let you know that being broke is very, very bad. It is absolutely terrible to be broke. So I have some methods that I'm going to show you today that can help you to make some money for yourself. These methods are working and they're very easy to do. If you haven't come across these methods yet, well, today I'm going to show you 3 different methods on how you can actually make some money. And it's so easy to do that you can actually do this whilst you're sleeping, basically. Well, what I mean by whilst you're sleeping is basically whilst you're laying down on your bed, you can actually do this. You don't really need much experience. It's so easy to do, and it's going to help you make more and more money. Now, what I'm going to show you, it's absolutely free. These methods, they are free, which means that you don't need to pay any money to register. There are no registration fees, so don't worry about that at all. And the great thing is that it's available worldwide. Doesn't matter where you are coming from, Australia, Africa, Asia, Europe, America, South America, you can get access to all these methods. Now you need to watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to describe and explain and take you through the steps that you need to go through so that you can actually make money. I'm going to explain everything to you. So just don't make that mistake and skip through the video. I know you have a lot of things to do, but just watch this video to the end for your own good and it will really help you. Now before I show you this method, just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Click subscribe. It's free. That red button, just click subscribe. I would appreciate it. Turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video, you don't need to go around looking for this channel at all. You can just easily get a notification and watch my next video. So what I'm going to show you today, the first website is called Rapid Workers. It's rapidworkers.com. Now, what is Rapid Workers? Rapid Workers is a platform where there are a lot of small jobs that you can do. Very easy to do jobs that you can do and make money. And you can do a lot of jobs during a single day. It's absolutely easy. If you see over here, it says at Rapid Workers, tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low cost, employees are fulfilled, workers are happy and compensated promptly. Most of all, it simply works. That is the beauty of it. It simply works because now we're all looking for methods that work. We're not looking to waste our times with methods that are not working. We need the money. So for example, what are the kinds of things you can do? Now, for example, an available task, YouTube, vote for this video. Vote for this video. So basically when somebody's saying vote for this video, they just want you to go and like a video. So when you go and like a video, they're going to give you 10 cents. You see here, 10 cents. So you go onto YouTube, they're going to show you the video. Just go on that video and like, then you're going to get 10 cents. It's really cool. I mean, like, instead of just going on YouTube and just liking a video, different videos, you can just come over here and like whatever video they send you to and make 10 cents. Now, you might think that, oh, only 10 cents. Well, I mean, it's liking a video. What does that cost you? You don't need to think much to really like a video. You just go on the video. You don't even need to watch the video. Just like the video. And it's not just one video. They'll be giving you so many videos. You can get 100 videos in a single day. So when you do the calculations, it's a lot of money. Now, for the second one, follow me on Twitter, 12 cents. All you have to do is basically, they're going to provide you to a certain Twitter page of someone, and they just want you to follow the person. If you have Twitter, that's great. Just go and follow and you'll get 12 cents. Instead of just following everybody for free, why don't you follow someone and get 12 cents? If you don't have a Twitter account, just create one for the sake of this so you can make more money. You can actually just create a new account today just for this so that you can make this money. Insurance form, sign up, $1.50. Basically, they just want to provide you with a certain insurance form. They just want you to sign up. If you're interested, you're gonna get $1.50 just for signing up. You don't have to actually use the product or anything. They just want you to sign up. That's all. Create Gmail account for me. Now, Instead of just creating a Gmail account for free, you can just create one for a specific person and they're going to pay you 13 cents. As you can see over here, they're going to pay you 13 cents just to create a Gmail account. I mean, it's so easy to do. I mean, you have a Gmail account yourself and you know how easy it was to create. You didn't get any money for it. Why don't you just create it for people and get paid to do that? Online game, sign up, 20 cents. Online game, there's a game online. They just want you to sign up to be part of the game. If you're interested, you can make 20 cents. Dig, bookmark my page. They're going to provide you with a certain website and they just want you to bookmark it and prove that you have bookmarked it, and they're going to pay you 10 cents. Upload 5 photos to this site. So there's a specific site they will give you and they just want you to upload 5 photos and they're going to provide you with 39 cents. YouTube, vote for this video once again. Follow me on Twitter. Okay, so basically those are the kinds of things that you can do and make money. It's so easy to do. Like somebody will say, create a YouTube channel for me. He'll provide you with the details and he'll pay you maybe $2. Okay. You know, create a Facebook for me, or, you know, like my photo on Facebook and I'll pay you $1. You know, like my post that I posted on Instagram and I'm going to pay you $2. So it's easy tasks like that where you don't need experience. It's just regular things you do every day, but now you're actually gonna get money. So this is the first website I want to show you. For everything, you actually need to create an account. So basically you want to come over here, be a part of Rapid Workers. You want to click on be a part of Rapid Workers. Once you click on it, just want to put in your name, your email address, password, your country. It's available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're coming from. You just choose the country of your choice and just do the I'm not a robot thing and basically agree to these above and, you know, the terms and conditions, and create your account. Absolutely easy and absolutely free. Easy tasks that you'll receive. It's so easy. For example, go to my YouTube channel. Somebody is going to say, go to my YouTube channel, listen to my song, and then comment down below what you think about my song, and he's going to pay you $2. I mean, it's so easy to do. I mean, come on. You don't need any mathematics or science to do this. This is not chemistry. This is easy money. Okay, so that is the first website I want to show you. The second website I want to show you is ClickWorkers. If you've heard of ClickWorkers, great. That's good, but you need to watch this because I'm going to show you something different. ClickWorkers is a place where you can make money once again. So once you're over here, you want to make sure you click on here, earn money as a click worker. Click on that because you want to earn money. That's what we are here for. We're not here for any games. We're here for the money. So you want to scroll down, you're going to see the available jobs that you can do. Text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, surveys, mystery visit, app testing, photo capturing. Now what I want you to do, actually there's something here, video recordings and audio recordings. Yes, this is it. This is what I want you to do. Click on audio recordings here. Click on audio recordings. Now it says, my voice is my password. As quickly as you read that sentence is just how fast you can earn money with our audio jobs. Everything you require, you probably already have in your hands, your smartphone. The biggest advantage is that you can work these jobs completely independent of the time of the day or the place you find yourself. Use those irritating commercial breaks when watching television or boring wait times while commuting to simply record single words or short sentences. Different content will be requested depending on the project. Smartphone commands like stop the music will probably sound familiar to you, and you're sure to come across them here too. Okay, let me explain what this is. They're going to provide you with jobs, and they're going to provide you with, for example, like a paragraph that they want you to read and record with your phone. So it's going to be like a paragraph of something. Maybe it has to do with a comment on a game. They want you to maybe read a passage from a certain book that they will send to you, or maybe they want to, it's just basic things they want you to read. Now, you always remain anonymous based on the task. Of course, you need to create an account, but once you send for the audio, they're not going to say, oh, his name or her name is this and that, and her name, this is done by this person. No, they always keep it anonymous. So it's easy tasks like that where you just have to record yourself reading something, and all you need is a phone. You just need your smartphone, as you read over here. Everything you require, you probably already have in your hand, your smartphone. So you just need your smartphone to record audio. So for example, this text we just read over here, everything you require, you probably already have in your hand, your smartphone. The biggest advantage is that you can work these jobs completely independent of the time of the day, blah, blah, blah. Like, for example, me reading this is exactly the type of stuff they're going to send you to read. And they want you to record it on your phone. And then you want to submit it to Clickworker and you get paid. Very simple, very easy to do. Sounds nice? Yep, it is. It's so easy to do. We're not looking for things that are complicated. We're looking for things that are actually very easy to do. So that's what I want you to do. And you need to register, absolutely free. You just want to click on register. If you already have an account, you don't need to go through this process. Register free of charge now. So you want to click over here. So you want to make sure you do have an account, because you need an account to make the money. So you just want to go through the procedure, and you can get it on the App Store or the Play Store. So you can just go and download it. If you have an iPhone, go to the App Store. If you have an Android, go to the Play Store, and you just want to register and start making money. Now, the third website I want to show you, it is PicoWorkers. PicoWorkers is a similar platform where you can make money. For example, freelancers over here, these are the people that actually work your way, take surveys, write an honest review, test an app, write an article. Okay, what you want to do over here, click freelance and earn. You want to make sure you click there. Once you click freelance and earn, you're going to see, for example, the people that have completed tasks and the money they've made. You can see that people are making money: $288, $113, $14, $51, $10, $184. There are so many people that are making money, and it's absolutely great to do. Now, I'm going to just take you directly to the way you're going to make this money. Click on affiliate program. How do I get my own personalized affiliate link to statistics? Log into your account, blah, blah, blah. You need an account. Now, over here it says, how do I earn commission? Refer new members and earn a commission when they purchase jobs and when they complete jobs. Now, you want to get an affiliate link. An affiliate link is basically a link that you will get, and you want to share with friends and share on social media. So when people register onto PicoWorkers and they become part of PicoWorkers, everything they do, every single thing they do on PicoWorkers, you will get a share of the money. So you end up not doing any work, and people's work become your revenue. So people are now working for you. So the best way to make a lot of money on PicoWorkers, if you want to choose PicoWorkers, you want to have an affiliate link. Already you need to sign up, create an account. How do I get my own personalized affiliate link? Log into your account and go to your accounts section. Then click the programs and offers tab to find your affiliate link. You can access your affiliate statistics from your account page. Statistics show how many users have signed up with your affiliate link and also how much you were paid. So you want to you want to go over here to get your affiliate link. Share your affiliate link on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, different forums on the internet. You will definitely get a few people that will want to click and be interested. A moment they're interested and they sign up to Picker Workers, every activity they do, you're gonna get a portion of the revenue, and you can be sleeping and make money. That is the awesome thing about this. This is the best way. Instead of having to be doing the jobs on Picker Workers, you want to actually share the link. Make sure somebody actually starts making money. Now, if somebody that you recommend clicks on your link and they also share their link and somebody else clicks on their link, you will still get money from that person that they recommended. So you end up making money and money and money and money and money and more money, and it will never end. So this is a secret I want to show you today. Use this strategy. It will work for you. Instead of focusing on doing all the jobs over here, I'm talking about Picker Workers right now. The best way to make a lot of money is with the affiliate program. So this is what I wanted to show you today. The first website is Rapid Workers. Rapid Workers. As you can see, I've shown you this already, Rapid Workers. The second website is Click Worker. Click Worker. Click Worker. The third is over here, Picker Workers. So this is what I wanted to show you today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comment your questions down below. If you haven't subscribed already, just click that subscribe button right now. It's absolutely free. Turn on all post notifications and make sure that you like this video. Please, I would appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.